Okay, everybody. Today, my Voyager keyboard arrived in the, I say in the mail, via courier, I guess. And so I'm going to take a look. We're going to unbox it and see kind of first reactions. So I got the tripod mount. So you can see tripod mount. You see the ZSA logo on the side. Back has a kind of a tripod outline. So let's give this an open. See what we have here. Okay. So inside, as advertised, is the tripod kit, which is basically an extension cable. Looks like we probably have some more of those stickers. Oh, that came off pretty easily. So we have the longer connector cable between the two halves of the Voyager, so you can have them spaced further apart. I can't remember exactly how long it is, a meter or a meter plus perhaps. And then there are two magnetic attachments to, you can feel those are strong magnets. You can feel that. And that is to connect to the bottom of the Voyager, and then to a tripod mount of some sort. So we'll put that aside. It's certainly less interesting than the main event, which is the keyboard itself. I haven't opened it yet. I haven't really taken a look inside, so let's take a peek. So you can see a thank you for supporting us, and then the kind of a link to get started and presumably get some more information about the product. All right, so I can see here there's some switches, it looks like. Okay, these must be the alternate keycaps. Open. See how this opens, if I even want to open it. Okay. Okay, yeah, magnetic. Cool. Yeah, these are key switches here. Some extra switches. It says so many keycaps and some extra switches too. So these, I guess, are replacements in case something happens to your stuff. So here are, what I've been waiting for, the N and the T with homing bars, or UH for those people that prefer Vorak, and then a host of just kind of, I don't know, the Voyager key and some blank keys and other OS special keys that you can replace your I think most of the special, I put those upside down, most of them come blank, so we'll put that aside. The keycap puller removed from the other side, an A to C USB dongle, so this just lifts up, and we've got cables, a whole bunch of cables in here, and then there's the A to, an ASA to USB A to C adapter. That's pretty standard looking thing there. The key puller with an arrow as to how to get it out of here. Oh yes, push, and then okay, that's my third one of these, but be very useful later when I rearrange my keycaps. There's not a whole lot else going on there. This is the interconnect cable to connect the two sides, which is a shorter version of the one that we got with the tripod kit. A USB USB-C to USB-C cable. It's fairly lengthy, and then a USB-C to USB-C cable that is considerably shorter. I'm guessing for different applications of where you might have your keyboard. And then, and there's another even shorter USB-C to USB-C cable. Okay, I think they did mention that there's several lengths of cables that came with it. I want to hang out with your books, put me on your shelf, and keep all the extras you got with the Voyager right in here. That way you always know where they are. So yeah, the box has been, I guess, designed to be kept. And there's a kind of a neoprene case that comes with it, very similar to the one with the Moonlander. Although it feels a little bit nicer, perhaps. And there's some zippered pouches, which I guess could be used to hold some things that you don't want to kind of lose. And they have, yes, the magnetic, it's a little holder for the magnetic feet. That's kind of cool. And then let's take a look at the main event in a Bon Voyage. This velvet, it's not velvet. Pouch. Oh boy. Oh yeah, look at that. That is tiny. Okay, so that's where the magnet feet go. Low profile keys. There's still a nice feel to those switches. So that's the left half of the keyboard there. And so we'll grab the right half here. And that's the magnets in there. And that's where the tripod mount goes. I'll show that in just a second. So by default, the keys, the keyboard comes with a QWERTY layout, but the F and J keys do not have the homing bars. So if you want those, you would have to swap them out with the extras that came with the keyboard. So let's take a quick, let's get this box out of here, as nice as it is, and we will take a look at the keyboard itself. So it's it's definitely a lot slimmer and more well, I don't say ergonomic, but it is definitely more portable than the Moonlander, which I always found was a little bit cumbersome to kind of transport. So we'll have to see. So let me grab these magnetic. Oh boy, yeah, that's a magnet, isn't it? So there's a little feet on the magnet, and they click in. Is there a specific? Oh, there's a, okay. Oh, yeah, okay. So there's symbols on the keys. All right. So I clearly got ahead of myself. So there's the symbol on the keys, and it's meant to line up with the symbols on the underside of the keyboard. And that's, yep. And once you get the right key in the right place, it's actually pretty, pretty obvious how that goes. Yeah, so that, and then I will repeat the process with, and here, that's a magnet. So that is definitely, those feet are not coming off accidentally. Yeah. Okay, so that gives a little bit of tenting, which should help those people who prefer that. It's not much, to be honest. I would love it if this thing worked with the platform, but again, that kind of reduces its portability. And so I'm hoping that these bad boys here, well, let's give them a try, see how firm those connect. I wonder if there's a particular orientation. Doesn't look. Whoa, that is on there. Yeah, that is. That is on there. Wow. Yeah, might need a tripod to pull it off. Because yeah, I can. Not even sure I can. I don't really want to damage it just yet, so I'll leave that for the moment. So yeah, that's the ZSA Voyager keyboard, low profile keyboard, so I will be giving it a try. There's the USB and there's the interconnect port, and then similarly here, the interconnect port on the right side. So it's the left side that connects to the computer. Cool. All right. Thanks for checking this out. And next I will be swapping around some keys, but I'll make that a separate video. So if you're not interested in that, then you don't have to watch it. All right. Thanks.